Do you know you can associate data to your user and save it in Firebase? Let's say you're building a quiz and want to associate a score to each user. You can easily connect your app to the Firebase database, also called Cloud Firestore, to store data externally. Easy to use and modular, you can easily connect Firebase to other services or apps for other scenarios. In this example, let's see how to create a score, increment it based on user's action, and display it at the end of the quiz. Before everything, you must set up user authentication with Firebase. If it hasn't been done yet, I suggest you had a look at our video tutorial. We're gonna create the score variable directly in Firebase. Cloud Firestore is a really powerful database. In terms of data structure, you can do whatever you want. This is really flexible and every user is represented by a document in the database. As there are no fixed structure, data is created instantly based on users' action in the app. In other terms, we must create the increment score action in order to create the score variable. Now let's create the action. Select the correct answer and add the action Interact with the database. Firebase session. Modify the data. Create the score data using the byKey function. And use the increment function with the value 1. If the data does not exist, it is created. Otherwise, it's updated. Let's answer this question as a user and have a look at the Firebase console at the same time. By clicking on the correct answer, the database is instantly updated and the score is created. Do the same with the other answers. To reuse this score within the app, let's use data binding. As the data is created on the go, we must specify the path manually. Choose the Firebase session and use the function byKey and type down the name of the data manually, which is score. Don't forget to reinitialize the score when the quiz is launched, as we don't want to increment it infinitely. Add an action Interact with the database, Firebase session, modify the data, and set the score to 0. Let's try it again with wrong and right answers. The score is incremented based on user choices. And the final score is displayed in the app interface. If the user retakes the quiz, it is set to 0. This data is reusable from other app services, and you can change it manually also from Firebase interface. You can export it to a Google Sheet, associate to a Salesforce lead, whatever you want. In PandaSuite, you can also create a condition based on this score. Let's say if the user has more than £4, then you want to do this or that actions. That's it. To infinity and beyond.